Does your child support change if your ex gets a big raise? It's a terrific question. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues right here in the state of Michigan. And today, we're going to continue our video series, which is designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. It's a great question. Do you get more support if your ex gets a big raise? Well, you have to understand that theoretically you do, but there's a couple factors. Number one, it's not automatic. It's not triggered by the fact that your ex got a raise. It's triggered by your filing a motion and bringing before the court evidence that there's a significant change in circumstances in that child support was based on $50,000 and now he's making $82,000. Okay, that is what triggers it. The court has to enter an order, and then there will be an upward movement of the child support to reflect the appropriate numbers. Remember one thing, though, it's a formula. Michigan legislature put together a child support formula. It's not just based on the raise, it's based on what the income of the other party is. So let's say you got a $30,000 raise, and so did he. You know what? It's not going to affect the support that much because the numbers are pretty much where they are. There was a $20,000 difference before. There's still a $20,000 difference. We have no significant change. On the other hand, if your income has remained about the same and your ex has a big change in income, well, that may support a big change in the support. However, you got to realize one thing. It's not just the money. It's based on overnights, which means if someone's making more money, but they're also taking the child and having the child for more overnights, so therefore there's more expense and consumption on their end, it may change the support number, but probably not as much as you think. Remember, the support is going to be based on the relative incomes of the parties, the respective parties, but also how many overnights with dad, how many overnights with mom. So if you've got a significant change in both of those, you're probably going to see a fluctuation in the number. If you don't have a significant change, you might not. So you've got to look at every act on an individual basis. If you have a question about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-30